Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering the Reccazr keyboard and choosing a mode. This matters because pairing steps differ by mode. Make sure batteries are good or cable connected, then flip the mode switch to Bluetooth 2, 4 GHz or wired. On your computer or phone, open Bluetooth settings or free a USB port for the dongle. Once done, you're ready to move into discovery and pairing so the device can find the keyboard quickly. You'll pair differently depending on mode. For Bluetooth, press FN plus P or the dedicated pair key until the LED blinks, then select Reccazr in your devices list. This creates a secure link. For 4 GHz, plug the nano dongle into a USB port while the keyboard is in 4 mode so the radio auto-negotiates. For wired use, simply plug the cable and allow the operating system to install drivers. Make sure to accept any on-screen permission prompts. You finish by testing every key and confirming the layout in a simple text editor. Make adjustments in OS keyboard settings if required. If special functions or RGB aren't working, download and run the Reccazr driver or firmware tool. Updates often resolve quirks. If connection fails, try repairing, replace batteries, or use a different USB port. Also move away from crowded 4 GHz sources. If it still won't connect, reset the keyboard per manual and retry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.